Hey everyone, I wanted to share a little video of the things I have on my toddler's tot school shelves for this coming week. He is almost 2.5, and I put a lot of fun little toddler activities on here, and we're just trying this out, trying to trial and error to see how it's going to go. I did this last year and last week, and he had no interest in it. He just made a huge mess out of it. So we're going to try it again this week and see how it goes. So I have 6 little tray things here, and there's no particular order. He doesn't have to take he can just take whatever he wants off. I just thought it'd be easier to put it on a tray, and we can pull the whole thing off to the table if that's what he wants. If you see dirty floors, don't mind that, please. That's on my list of things to do today. So right here I have a little kind of like an invitation to create. I have an old paper towel roll. We have a little cup in here of little foam stickers, and he has markers, and he loves these little twist up crayons, and I put some of the fat crayons in here too for him so he can decorate the tube. We have a shapes puzzle for him to work on his shapes. This tray is a lot of shape activities. We have these little shape cards, like little puzzles, and then here are the pieces to it. So there's a little triangle goes here. A little star goes here. There's a couple different ones. And I have a book about shapes. And we have this shape tracing activity. Sorry about the shadow here. I'm kind of sitting on the floor. So it's in a sheet protector, and he can take a little dry erase and trace them, but he's not very good. He usually just scribbles all over it, but used to. I have this little shape chart for us to go over with him, and he can draw on it if he wants because it's laminated. Trying to do this real quick while they're upstairs playing, but I hear someone coming behind me. Hi.
Hi.
Are you going to see what we have for school next week? Do you like to do school?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Mom.
You're supposed to be upstairs.
Okay, why don't you go play upstairs, and you can play with it in a little while. Let me finish your video. Okay, let's try this again. I have an ice cube tray here that I've numbered, and I try to get him to use this tin of pom-poms to either grab with his fingers or grab with this, and put 1 in the 1, 2 in the 2, and so on as far as we can go. And he uses these pom-poms for other activities, and you'll see in here too. We have little shaped and colored puzzles. I'll take these apart for him and help him put these together. I have a laminated sheet here to help with drawing lines and pen control, that kind of stuff. And then another little fun puzzle. He has a bunch of puzzles up in here too. And then also here are a couple little baby workbooks, because last week he didn't want anything to do, he really liked this, it's paint with water. He didn't want anything to do with his stuff that, like I said here, he wanted to do workbooks like the kids were doing, so he kept saying book. So I put these up here in case he wanted to do them, even though I've ripped these pages out and put them in sheets for him to do, but I think it's the whole idea of doing a book like the big kids is what he wants to do. So. In this little bin here, I just have 1, 2, and 3, and what I plan on doing is doing a 1 and put 1 pom-pom. Do a 2 and put 2 pom-poms, something along those lines. And then here we have a little matching game. There's a red bird, and then there's other animals and colors in there as well. And then here as well, we also have another number puzzle. Are you singing the alphabet? So there's another number puzzle, and these red pom-poms go on the tree. Call them the apples. So we're gonna put 1 where it says 1, and 2 where it says 2, and so on. I have these go all the way up to 6, but For this week at least, I only have 1, 2, and 3 in here because he's just learning that. So, and then we have another matching game here with animals, and then the corresponding pieces are in this little bag. He's pretty good at matching, so he likes those. And then in this little one here, we have another matching game in here. These are just animal flashcards. And then we have little corresponding animal magnets to go with it to match. This is a box of little gem rocks. He can use these for counting, or I had them originally in here for the turtles. Put 1 on 1, 2 on 2, etc. Kind of like the apples on the tree. But, you know, he can use pom-poms on there. You can use the rocks or whatever, you know. I have this little shaped kind of tanagram thing. I only have it on this side because the other side's a little too advanced for him. And then this little container we have with circles to put on it. And another workbook for him to play on. And then this tray is mostly like ABC. So here we have a little book about letters. We have an A, B, and C letter here. And I'm kind of planning on trying to match, like, we'll see how it goes. We have these little alphabet cards from this flashcard set. And we'll put A, put the A on the A. Something along those lines. And then here we have, a alphabet puzzle, and it's only A and B. We have apple, the capital A and the little a, and then there's a B ones as well. And then here are 2 worksheets that I ripped out of that book I was talking about, and just put it in a sheet protector for him to write on, A and B, and then here's another one, B, A. And the last one here is kind of matching and sorting as well. Okay. On this little tin, we have a red, green, and blue cup. And inside we have red, green, and blue little ninja guys, I think there. We got them at the Target dollar spot. So for him to sort them by color, and then we will count them as well. I believe there's 5 of each color as well. There was before we got into it, so. And then here we have colored doggy pieces. And you put the doggy in the right doggy house. And then here is his name, and he has foam letter pieces to match up how to spell his name. So that's pretty much it he's got going on in his shelves this week. We'll see how it goes this week. Thanks for watching.